Hi, I'm Thelma. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you my very first video for 2021. It's a Dollar Tree haul. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first I have this container that I bought. It's XOXO all the way around it. And it says Happy Valentine's Day. It's kind of clear. You can see my hand through it. It's pretty big. I put my palm right down in it. And the lid is this solid red. And it's scalloped going all the way around. And when it's sealed, you will hear a pop. So you hear that pop, that means it's sealed. And the thing is, with these, you can use them for snacks, anything really. Your crafting supplies, you can buy some. They have some that said little hearts going all the way around it. And I think it said Happy Valentine's Day. And there was one, I just can't remember what was on it, but you can buy 2 to 3 of them and stack them on top of each other to help if you have a small storage space like I do. And they're great for many things. And then there's this Valentine box. It's Velcro shut right here on the front. And the lid on the inside is all these lines with hearts in them, solid color inside. It has the little pink truck. It says Happy Valentine's Day on it, and has hearts coming all out of the back. Now, and there's a truck right there, but on the sides and the back is the little red bicycle. In the front basket, it has hearts coming out, and you have roses in the back of it. This would be good to store some of your little crafting supplies and gadgets in it. I picked up some DIY stickers. They're 10-piece, and these are the wooden kind. Some are glittered pink, regular black, no glitter, and just your wood. You can leave it the wood color, or you can stain it or paint it. Now, I want to show you some of the signs and runners that I got. Banner. It's not a runner. It says Hug, Kiss, and Love on it, and it's burlap. It has 2 little buttons right here on the top. It's probably about 1.5 to 2. I'm not for sure really. I'd say almost 2 foot long. And these say the same thing. It says Love Each Moment, and they're both the same. The red heart, all but the back end is brown, looks like wood on this one, and white on this one with the gold leaf design going down it. And the Love Each Moment is gold glitter. Now you can also flip these on the back and make your own DIY project. I picked up this beautiful Happy Valentine's Day heart sign. Now the Valentine has a burlap. Now you can take that off and use on a different project, or you can leave it and paint it a different color and then redo the Happy in the Day, or you can flip it over and make your own heart design. Say you don't want the ribbon to hang it up, you can get some of the wood filler and put, or the spackling will work from the Dollar Tree. Put it in it and then sand it down when it dries. I picked up 2 of these 25-piece stickers. They're pink, purple, and red. There's hearts, and then there's love on it. Now these are felt stickers, 100 piece, and they're red, white, and pink, and they come in different sizes, as you can see better on the back here. Right there's one, and here's the big one. There's a 3-piece pack of treat sacks. They're burlap with the red heart on the front and the back of it. And I loved when I seen this scarf. It's, okay, that's upside down. It's the pink truck, and it has hearts coming out of some of them. XOXO, hugs and kisses, different things and sayings are coming out of the back of it, and it's 63 inches long by 13.8 inches wide. I think they had these last year, but I don't remember, but I could use them anyway for a DIY. This says welcome on top. There's 5 of them going down. And then pink and red with glitter. White and red with glitter. Pink, red, and white with glitter. And then XOXO, red and white with glitter. Now you can leave this as it is, or you can take the backing off. Just peel that off and make sure you get all the paper off and the ribbon, and you can sand it down. You can make your own little, let me see if this, you can put them side by side, 3 of them, in a like fan motion, and you can sand the front down, repaint them, or you can leave it, the design as is, and take the backing off, take the ribbon off the back, and make it into a display of on your wreath, and garland, flower arrangements. There's a lot of things you can do with this. Now I picked up 2 packs each of these 7-piece. Some are these are red and a pink pack, and they're glitter. There's 7 with this little picks on them. You can take those off and use them in your displays or wreaths, or on a garland, and you can leave the picks on and put them in flower arrangements. You can make all different things with them. You can add them to the top corner, like if you get a picture frame, a 5x7 or an 8x10, and you can glue it in the corner with a little bow and have a real pretty display. And they have 2 different kinds of this glitter vase filler. They both have 110 pieces, but one of them is red glitter and one is white glitter. And they're different sizes, as you can see here. And then the other pack is red, white, and pink. And you see the small ones? There's like small, mediums, and large. And these can be used on a lot of different things, which I'll be showing you on my future DIYs. Sorry, I bumped the stand there for my phone. They have these pink glittered hearts, and in pink and in red. There's a ribbon up here for you to hang it, and there's a cute little heart in the center of it hanging. You can leave it or cut the ribbon off right around right there where you can not see it. And you can use this here little heart for something else. And the same with the red one. And they're flat. They're both flat on the back. So they'll hang. You can even put these on the wall, in a wreath, on garland. A lot of different things you can do with this. I already showed you this one. And then there's this one. I love this. It's got felt and it's got glitter going around it. This is the back. But I want to use this. I'm going to try to take some of these hearts off and use them in some DIYs. They have these 50-piece table scatters. One's in a light pink, it's almost clear, and it's in a heart. And then they have the red right there, and they're both 50 in a pack. Then they had this beautiful, if I can get a hold of it, it says welcome with an arrow and glitter. It's all glitter. And then on the bottom it had these 10 hearts, 3 of them. You can leave this as is, or you can take these off and use them in a different project. But I kind of like it as it is. Maybe put a bow on it. I think I'm debating on using the hearts for something else, or just putting a bow on it. You have to find out when I go to do it. And oh, here's another pack of those wooden hearts. Here's a large packet. They're heart dollies. The large one has 16 in it. Now, these come in red, white, and pink. So there's the large red. This is the size. There's 24 in it. For the medium, I call it. See the size difference there? And then there's a white. Let me see. Here's the red, small one, and see the size difference there. There's 30 in this one. And here's what the pink looks like. It's a real light pale pink. And here's what the white looks like. This is the medium size. And then I got this, whoops, dropping everything. It says, follow your heart, in different pink colors with hearts. And there's the little hearts right here are glitter, light pink glitter. And the heart is light pink glitter. Now, I bought 2 each of these signs. This one has the 10 heart on it for O. It's the love sign going down. And then I purchased another love sign with burlap as the heart. And this is the size difference. If I put them flush on top, see how I got them flush right there. And then they are, this one is the smallest, and that's how much is longer on this one. It's almost the letter of the E. But I think they almost look the same except for the burlap and the 10 heart. I've got these candles here, and if you remember those little hearts that were pink and red, 50 count in them, these little hearts, the table scatter. Now, they have these candle holders. This one's clear with red and white hearts on it. And I bought this little candle. It says, I love you on it. And they also have rose petals. And down here is that table scatter. I did that just to raise the candle up so it wouldn't be real short. And that's what that looks like. And this one has red and white hearts and the word love on it. And I just stuck this candle down in there because I only grabbed one instead of two. And I did the same thing. Excuse me. I put the pink, the real light pink table scatter on the bottom just to make the candle longer. And the last thing is I bought some flowers. Let me show you these first. I love these. First I seen these light pink ones with the baby breath, and they're 5 little glittered hearts on it. And I thought, well, I can't use one. But then I seen, because it was just over in the flowers, which it was in the wrong spot. But then I seen these on an end cap, and look at that purple glitter. That is gorgeous. And then the red with the baby breath. And I think mixing them all up with a few flowers, that'll look beautiful in a small vase. And then I bought 2 of the regular 6-piece of the red roses. 2 of the 3-piece, the velvet rose. Let me just pull this down so you can see it. And that's how big they are. And they come with a real long stem. I love these flowers. They're beautiful. And then I bought some light pink of the 6 roses that's on it. And I bought 2 different kinds. I didn't know they had 2 different kinds of baby breath, but this is what I'm used to getting. I've never seen this. It might have been there before, but I've never seen it. But look at the difference in the style and the size of these baby breaths. And that is it for my video. If y'all liked it, please hit that thumbs up, like button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the video or what you liked most of all. And subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell right next to it. That way you won't miss any future videos. If you're interested in my DIYs that I do the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar General, sometimes Hobby Lobby and Target. I like going to the dollar spot at Target. Alright, thank y'all again, and have a safe and happy day. Bye.